Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Antonia. I hope you guys are doing well. I am so excited. I literally had to run on here and film this video because I wanted to see this for myself. I was doing my workout and then I got a ring-a-ding-ding at the door and a package came, a really exciting package, which is why I'm in my workout gear. I'm very sorry. Also, if you hear tippy-tappying, that's Harley. I don't want to sit on his bed for whatever reason, and he knows that the hardwood floor is very difficult for him, but he's still tippy-tappying on here. If you guys follow me on Instagram at _HelloHarley, or if you follow me on TikTok at HelloHarley. By the way, guys, I started posting on TikTok. I did quick little styling videos, or I'm starting to put quick little styling videos up on there, and I'm trying to learn how to use the platform. So please follow me there, and definitely follow me on Instagram at _HelloHarley, of course, if you guys already don't. But I got a package and I'm so excited. I already sliced it open. But if you guys are on TikTok, you guys have seen that this item has been going viral. There's a user by the name of Brand97, which I saw it on first, and then I also saw XO Fashionica, I think that's her name. She unboxed this and I was like, oh my god, it's out. So Brand97, I believe, works for Coach. Obviously you guys already know we're talking about a Coach bag because you saw the title, and I was waiting for it because he bought it and I was like, oh my god, the pillow tabby is so cute in the small size. And Lauren, or El Valaki here on YouTube, she sent me that bag probably 2 or 3 weeks prior, being like, do you love this? Because she likes it. And I was like, no, it looks like a big diaper, and I was not into it. I really don't like the Chanel 19 or those puffy bags. I don't really like that style, especially if they're big. But you guys know, if you follow me at all and know my handbag collection, you guys know I love myself a good mini bag. So the Pillow Tabby 18 finally was released. I was waiting for it to release and I thought it was gonna come out in May, but it came out because when I saw XO Fashionica, I hope I'm saying that right, Fashionica, posted, I literally ran to the site and then I placed my order. So let's unbox it together. I asked for it to be wrapped nicely because it's a gift to myself, okay? So why the heck not? So here it is. That's new. Honestly, I haven't bought myself, okay, that's a lie, but I haven't bought a bag in a while. Here we go. Everything is just, I can just pull it all out, so I'm just gonna do that instead. There's some tissue that I will probably keep. There's some info here. It says, thank you for shopping at Coach. We hope you enjoy your purchase, blah, blah, blah. Then I wrote myself a card. I just wrote myself a little card that it won't even come out. And then I believe this is proof of purchase. Yeah. I think this is just in case I need to return it. And then, so this slipped out. Here we go. Oh, they didn't give me a box, which is totally fine. I really don't need any more boxes, but I did ask for gift wrapping, so this is what they gave me, probably because the bag is so tiny. Anyways, let's unbox it together. Lots of talking. So guys, what color do you think I ended up picking up? I'm so excited for this. Honestly, Coach, retail boutique, not outlet, the stuff is good quality. Lauren last year bought her mom a Coach Cassie. Oh, look at it, it's so cute. Okay, let's unravel. Ta-da! It's the Coach Pillow Tabby 18 in the ivory color. It has gold hardware. She really small, she really cute. I am loving this. So just so you guys have some details, if you are in Canada, the Pillow Tabby shoulder bag 18 comes in at $4.95. I did find a 10% coupon, so I used that. It is made of Napa leather, so I'm reading it off my phone. It has a snap closure fabric lining, a detachable handle with a 4-inch drop, and a detachable long strap with a 21 1.5-inch drop for shoulder or crossbody wear. It is 7.5 inches long, 4 inches in height, and 2.5 inches wide. And currently it only comes in 3 colors. So it comes in the silver and pale lime, it comes in the ivory, and it also comes in like a rose red color. And obviously I had to choose the white because it is more, you know, neutral. So let's see what it looks like. Oh my god, even this is puffy. That is so interesting. Made in Vietnam. Okay, so I really don't like the Pillow Tabby regular. Oh, here it came with a dust bag. I was like, is there a dust bag for this baby? So here's the mini dust bag. Ooh, she cute. Okay, so inside looks like this. So it just has that like Coach thing that they always put on their bags. This is a Coach bag, blah 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 blah, story time. And then it has this little card inside, which I think is the care instructions. All Coach fabrics are water repellent. Okay, good to know. I have an iPhone, what is this, 11 Pro? Know what I have, whatever, the one like this. I have that iPhone, and I'm gonna make sure it fits, because girl, if the iPhone don't fit, it is useless. And girl, it fits. So there's 2 compartments. As you can see, there's a divider and then a back pocket as well. So if you don't like have a card holder or anything like that, you can definitely put it in there. Here's my keys. I just have a Louis Vuitton Clay, and then I have my car key that I just have slinging around, and my keys attached to it. For me, that's probably all that will fit. I probably can put a hand sanitizer in here too. Let's see. I have my Perel. Yeah, so that's all that really fits for me. Even so, it's kind of a stretch, bro. How stinking cute is she? Okay, she real cute. So here's the crossbody. I'm so sorry, I'm not doing a proper video for this, but I'm just so excited. So I'm 5'4", and you can definitely adjust it if you want it to sit higher on your body. I love that it comes with, I love that it has this little handle strap. Really awesome, because if you don't want to like crossbody it, you can just hold this, although this strap will probably get real dirty. It's pretty cute, and it's so squishy. I just love the fact that it's so squishy. And I do know Coach, if you can go into their stores, they have like the hot stamping. For my backpack here, I ended up going inside, and then the Coach bags always have this like, I guess it's like a luggage tag, and I hot stamped Harley's name on it with a paw. Like, they don't really care. With Louis Vuitton, when you go in and get stuff hot stamped, you can only put like 3 letters, whereas they let me do this, and there's tons of colors to do. It's really fun, and honestly, I think Coach is coming back. The revival is alive. Anyways, if you guys want a proper review on this bag once I start using it, let me know in the comments down below. Let me know what other videos you guys want to see. I know normally I post fashion, but here's a handbag video for you guys. Make sure to follow me on Instagram, once again, @_HelloHarley. Follow me on TikTok now @HelloHarley, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!